Download pchain compile from Parallel Chain Labs GitHub page on the documentation site. Download the asset that is native to your operating system. You can also install pchain compile by inputting the commands shown. Be patient while the installation is in progress. Depending on the method you use to install pchain compile, select the appropriate command. Select your corresponding OS, then copy the command and paste it into the console. Replace the placeholder with the actual path to the location where your smart contracts will be stored. This allows the console to locate and load the code properly so that you can interact with the smart contract.